What's up, Ace? This is your school president, Hector. Well, this is Ace News, the first of Ace News. We're gonna be doing this every month for events and whatnot. Big event we have this month is Skateland. Skateland is gonna be on the 27th from 7 to 11. I know you want everybody want to go to Skateland. You know what I'm saying? You gotta skate and all that. You know, to get in is $10, $5 to skate. It's only $15 for the night, and you're gonna have fun all night long. You know what I'm saying? You know, just take your family, you know, take your little sister, your brothers, your tios, your tias, Pancho, Juanito, your honey, LaQuisha, everybody, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, take everybody. It's going to be lots of fun. Events that we're going to have next month, I'm not going to go into deep details with this event, but we're going to have McTeacher Night. We're going to have a blood drive as well. You got to get blood, you know. Parent-teacher conference, because I know that all you guys want your parents to meet your teachers, right? Yeah. And Pizza Hut, you know, you gotta love them pizza. Anyways, Skateland, get there 7 to 11. You don't have to be there all the way to 11, but everybody's gonna be there. The whole A team's gonna be there. You be there, I'll give you a shout out. You know what I'm saying? And just get it done.